If you use Obsidian to store important notes, research, projects, journals, study materials, or knowledge bases, creating reliable backups is essential. No matter how careful you are, devices can fail, files can become corrupted, and accidental deletions can happen. One of the most powerful ways to protect your Obsidian vault is by using Obsidian Git. This plugin allows you to automatically save versions of your notes, track changes over time, and store backups in a remote Git repository. As a result, you can recover previous versions of notes and keep your knowledge base protected even if something happens to your computer. The good news is that setting up Obsidian Git is easier than many beginners expect. In this video, I'll show you how to back up your notes with Obsidian Git in 2026, step by step, even if you have never used Git before. First, open Obsidian and make sure the vault you want to back up is working properly. Before installing any backup tools, it is a good idea to confirm that all of your notes, attachments, and folders are organized the way you want them. Next, you will need Git installed on your computer. Git is the version control system that Obsidian Git uses to track changes and create backups. If Git is not already installed, download and install it from the official Git website, then complete the setup process according to your operating system. Once Git is installed, return to Obsidian and open Settings. Navigate to Community Plugins and enable Community Plugins if they are not already enabled. After that, click Browse to search the plugin directory. In the search bar, type Obsidian Git. When the plugin appears in the results, click Install and wait for the installation process to finish. Once installed, click Enable to activate the plugin within your vault. After enabling the plugin, open the Obsidian Git settings page. Here you will find numerous configuration options related to backups, commits, synchronization schedules, and repository management. The next step is initializing your vault as a Git repository if it is not already. Many users create a repository inside the vault folder and connect it to a remote hosting service. This remote repository serves as the location where backup copies of your notes will be stored. Create a new repository using your preferred Git hosting platform and copy the repository information. Then configure Obsidian Git to connect your local vault with the remote repository. The exact process may vary slightly depending on the hosting provider you use. Once the connection is established, perform an initial backup. The plugin can create a commit containing your current notes and upload that commit to the remote repository. This creates your first backup snapshot. One of the biggest advantages of Obsidian Git is version history. Every time you make changes to your notes, the plugin can create new commits that record those changes. If you accidentally delete information or make unwanted edits, you can often restore a previous version from the repository history. To make backups automatic, configure the plugin's scheduling options. Many users set the plugin to commit and synchronize changes at regular intervals. Automatic backups help ensure recent edits are protected without requiring manual action every day. Another useful feature is tracking exactly what changed in a note over time. Instead of storing only the latest version, Git maintains a detailed history that can be reviewed whenever necessary. As your vault grows, periodically verify that backups are being created successfully. Open the repository and confirm that new commits are appearing as expected. Regular checks help identify configuration problems before they become serious issues. You should also keep your repository credentials secure and use strong authentication methods whenever possible. Since your notes may contain important information, protecting access to backup repositories is just as important as protecting your notes themselves. Another helpful tip is creating occasional manual backup copies in addition to Git-based backups. Multiple backup methods provide an extra layer of protection and reduce the risk of data loss. If synchronization fails at any point, review the plugin's settings, verify your internet connection, and check repository permissions. Most backup issues can be resolved by reconnecting the repository or reviewing authentication settings. So, that's how to back up your notes with Obsidian Git in 2026. The main steps are installing Git, enabling the Obsidian Git plugin, creating or connecting a repository, performing the initial backup, enabling automatic synchronization, and monitoring version history to protect your notes. Once configured, Obsidian Git can provide a powerful and reliable backup system for your entire knowledge base. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.